Serving Las Vegas, Henderson, North Las Vegas, Summerland, and all of Clark County since 1980. Anytime Plumbing provides reliable, guaranteed service for all your residential or commercial plumbing, heating, and cooling needs. With an established reputation for unparalleled customer service and long-lasting results, we guarantee no wait, no mess, and no surprises with 24 hours a day, 7 days a week exceptional service each and every time. With more than 30 years of experience, we have the most cost-effective solution for you, and no problem is too big or small. So give us a call today for a free estimate.